TMS has been implemented in Sona Group of Institutions in a short span of time, and it has given us a remarkable change in how we maintain or solve the complaints in Sona Group of Institutions. In previous years, the complaints were being informed by the faculty members directly to the maintenance in charge or the maintenance team, and they were working on that complaints as soon as they get the information. And we did not have any track of record of what complaint has been done, how much times the material has been changed. These were the drawbacks of the previous working style. Now, after implementing Track My Sona, we could find where the carpenter is working, what all complaints have been completed in a day, so that the tracking of a carpenter or a plumber who comes in and goes out, the entire work done in a particular day has been calculated so that his salary can be communicated easily. Likewise, purchasing of materials. So we were in purchase of a lot of materials, but that has been reduced. Only based on the complaints, we are now purchasing the materials. So it is very easy for carpenter, plumbing and civil teams for easy maintenance of Sona Group of Institutions.
Minimize the cost of asset management while using the TMS app. Track My Sona, a pinpoint problem identification app.